Sawa kama uko peke yako. Akija mawale mangen kauna. Guys, thank you so much. This is Markham Mugenda. I've already started vibe, guys. It's a very special vibe, guys, along the beach. And today, I don't know what's happening now, but there's a lot of people, guys, along the beach. Yeah, just keep on watching. You see, I'll be along the beach. And remember, and show you what's going on. There you see, of which you'll be enjoying with Markham Mugenda, with Space Mugenda. Yeah, this height is. Let me show you how the beautiful the place. Naitwa Maka, nafanya official music, niko na YouTube channel, subscribe, watch. Jina ni Maka Mugenda, M-A-K-A. Thank you, Maka Mugenda. Have a nice day. Excuse me, naitwa Maka, nafanya official music, niko na YouTube channel now, but in case you are online, jina ni Maka Mugenda. M-A-K-A. Mugenda, Maka. Excuse me, guys. Guys, keep on watching. Excuse me, guys. Hello. How are you? My name is Maka. I do Afrofusion music. I play a traditional music. I have a YouTube channel. In case you'll be online, just follow YouTube, subscribe. It's called Maka Mugenda. Thank you. Maka with M-A-K-A. Mugenda. Asante sana. Yeah, keep on watching. Guys, keep on watching. This is how it is. And I remain with a few minutes. And by that time, I'll be giving you some free vibe. Guys, just keep on watching. Take you along the beach. You see, this is how it is, guys. Saya manyalo je twitch kiri ya donje shida. Mana shida mangato donje mngakende nyathiwa. Yeah, just keep on watching. You see how the beautiful the beach, and I'll waiting. Remain with a few minutes and starting another vibe. Excuse me, sir. Madam, how are you? I'm really sorry to disturb you. My name is Maka Mugenda. I do Afrofusion music. I have a YouTube channel. So in case you'll be online, just follow YouTube, subscribe. By the name Maka, Maka is M-A-K-A. Mugenda. Mugenda is M-U-G-E-N-D-A. Subscribe, watch on YouTube. Thanks so much. Have a nice time. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. Hey, I want to long gang. Come on, get a joggy beach camera. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. Hello, niaje bro. Poa. Naitwa Maka bro. Niko na YouTube channel hapa, in case uko online, follow, subscribe. Naitwa Maka.
No bro, we good. You're right. One and only. One and only. One and only. One and only.
Okay. Yeah, now let me take you along, the guys. Don't fuck up. Akadeti sianda bana. Sianda madam maratari. Nobody. Nobody can they love you the way I do. buddy. No problem. I'm all about it. What won't take. Keep on watching, guys. Right now I'm taking you along the beach, guys, for those who are watching. Si nimeuliza nani Isaac aliniambia ati
kwa nyumba bwana, nilikuwa nimeshikika hapo baya.
Sorry. Yeah. Just be patient, keep on watching. Mine is just to take you along the beach, guys. Show you how the beautiful is the beach, guys. And you see this is how it is. What is now going on was Zambia. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. It's now Maka Mugenda. Yeah. No time to waste, guys. I don't waste time. I don't waste my time. I just be consistent. Just work hard. Don't have the time, guys. For those who are watching, just keep on watching. I'll be taking you along the beach. Yeah. Maril manomera. Okrila rila nango. No pa correcto krill. Real man, guys. Keep on watching. See how beautiful is the beach, guys. You see there's a lot of people just chilling along with what they are doing, guys. Those are restaurants. See how beautiful is the beach, guys. But remember, today we are in low season. And low season is another war. Yeah, so we are ready for that war. We are not afraid, guys, for those who are watching. We are ready for that war. Yeah. So just keep on watching. I'll just take you along. Wow, I remain with around 7 minutes. Naje bro. Poa. Naitwa Maka. Mambo mrembo. Niko na YouTube channel now, but in case utakuwa online, follow YouTube, subscribe. Jina ni Maka with MAKA.
Nishakufollow bro.
Hakuna shida. Nakutana na wase wengi kila siku.
Nilikufollow sometime.
Thank you so much. Kama ulifollow. Wanasema to be successful you have to be consistent. Yes. Kwa sababu saa zingine kuna wengine pia wanakutana nao wananiambia wamesubscribe. Na tena tukikutana ananiambia man, nilifika kwa nyumba nikasaule jina yako. Yeah, so ukisubscribe nikikwambia once na niende. Haiko poa. Lakini thank you so much for your time.
So you unachezanga for
wanafanya events na YouTube, TikTok. Kama saizi niko live YouTube. Yeah.
Mwezi kuzaya hata mafans
unanishikia simu. Sasa wewe ndio utaongelesha watu. Hata wametoka. Na wewe sasa utashika hii. Sasa wacha nikuimbie mrembo wako. Eunice. Wewe jamaa ndio na mimi nimeuliza. Jamaa anaitwa nani?
Mimi naitwa Devi.
Okay. Guys, bado wako ama watoke?
Wako watatu.
Kuna shida, just show them. Yeah guys, right now I just want to sing for Eunice and
Davis.
Davis and nani? Eunice. Oh man, sir, watu wako tu Davis, Eunice. Let me give them just 1 5 before the time, guys. Amalu, I'll give you one song. Say Carabel. Carabel means something good. I have decided, oh God, to sing to Davis. Yeah. I have decided, oh God, to sing to Davis. First time I went to my brother Davis. Yeah. I see Eunice, Eunice, I got to Eunice, yeah. The lady more beauty, Eunice more beauty. Let me tell you, my brother, baby. So you are so lucky to have Eunice Mana, the lady more beauty. Yeah. Adi Anamaneno. The lady, she's looking yani innocent. The lady more beauty. Eunice more beauty. If you wanna be billionaire, yeah. Usichanganywe na Aisha. Usichanganywe na Shiko. Yeah. Usichanganywe na Fatuma. Usichanganywe na Mwana Juma. Mwana Kombo. Hello. Carabel, champoo. Eunice more beauty. Ana hata makeup omera.
Hakuna makeup.
Ana makeup.
Hakuna makeup.
Hapo naye umecontrol economy ya simu. Hata Ruto aiweke wapi?
Tuna survive.
Wewe una control tu economy kwa sababu mrembo. Hata kimeka.
Hata hakuna nini, hakuna inaitwaje?
Hata kimeka. Remember she was created on Monday when God is alive. Yeah. Thank you, Eunice. Yeah, Eunice, you are lucky to have Davis, my father. Wanaume ni ujasiri. Yeah.
Really?
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. For those who are watching, keep on watching. Yeah, that's Maka right now. I want to wind up because I remain with around 10 minutes. I want to move to TikTok. Thank you so much. Subscribe,
so
watch.
What is this? Is Instagram?
YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah, this is YouTube.
So TikTok unajiita nani?
Maka Mugenda, the same name. Ndio hii hapa. Yeah. Simini kwaje?
Yes, niangalia TikTok na.
Yeah, just keep on watching for those who are watching. There's a vibe, guys, with Maka. Yes, M-A-K-A, Maka.
Oh,
M-A-K-A.
Mugenda ya nini?
Mugenda is M-U.
I see. I followed.
Thank you so much. And also remember to keep on watching on YouTube because I normally post every time now and then. I normally post. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Have a nice time. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Yani je wigao bill mandege ya. Bill mandege ko send bill maneno jadala. Keep on watching, guys. This is a very special vibe. Just taking me along the beach, guys. Right now you see there's a big number of people. Right now they are going for boat ride. And right now this how place is, guys, for those who are watching. And right now we are in low season and I expect a lot of rain along the coastal area or region. Yeah. Just keep on watching. Just I need money, nigga. I say money, I say me, yeah. I mean it, guys. Yeah, just keep on watching. I'll be just taking you along, guys. And right now, I remain with a few minutes to change the vibe because almost now time to end the vibe. Just keep on watching. This is a Maka. Maka with M-A-K-A. Mugenda. Mugenda. Yeah, now winding. Just a few minutes. Yeah. To end the vibe. Hola, babe. Yeah. Now, guys, Yeah, guys, keep on watching. You see, there's a big team of there's a lot of people going right now for boat ride. I don't know how to explain, guys. And you see, there's a big number of people. And right now they are going for boat ride, guys. For those who are watching, keep on watching. It's Maka Muganda. My name's Armaka. Yeah, now you see there's a big team just making a lot of noising, but there's no problem, guys. I'm now start winding. I remain with a lot of fuel. When I say fuel, it's fuel. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. You see how those guys are now going. Let me zoom for you. They are going for boat ride, and that's the main reason why they are making a lot of noise. They're enjoying music, going for boat ride, guys. This is Diani. It's a big beach, guys. For those who are watching, you see it's about the whole beach. It's not a small beach, as you see. Thank you so much for those who watch today. This is the end of my vibe. I want to turn to TikTok. The same name is Maka Muganda. So right now I'll be vibing with you in TikTok live. Keep on watching. It's Maka Muganda.